All right, what do you think about this spot to set up for? Yep, this is perfect. Perfect. Now why don't you get out your big toys? Okay. Let's see, we have a pink shovel, a purple shovel. Actually, no, this is a purple rake. Cute. We also have, sand molds. This one's a seahorse. And this one's a turtle. Oh, I love turtles. I know, I got them for Christmas last year. All right, what do you want to do first? Do you want to make a sand mold? Sure. Okay, so first we should probably fill it up with sand with the mini shovel, right? Oh, right, before anything, you have to put on sunscreen so you don't burn today. This one is, let's see, SPF 30. This should cover you. Squirt, squirt. Your face too, that's very important. Thanks, sissy. Oh, just wait, we're not done yet. We still have to do your back and legs. Oh, and your neck. That's the most important. All right, you're all set. Do you want to finish making your sand mold? Sure, sissy. I'll help you. So we should put the pink shovel in like this. Maybe we should get a bit wet so it sticks to the mold. How about that? Let's go down to the water together to go get some water, okay? Okay. Oh, sissy, look at this shell. Isn't it pretty? Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Look, part of it's pink. Do you want to keep it? Sure. You hold it and I'll carry the pail. Let's go. All right, now let's fill it up. Perfect, this should be good. Let's go back to our spot now. All right, now why don't we just shovel some water in? Or maybe pouring would be a bit quicker. Good, now we'll add some more sand. Can I do it, sissy? Sure, I'll be watching you in this chair. All right. A little bit more sand. Perfect. I think we're done, sissy. Great. Now, I'll help you dump it. Now we want to pat it down nice and flat. Then we want to count to 3 and then quickly turn it over. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think that's nice and secure, but we want to wait a bit to lift it up. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now let's try to lift it up. Oh, no, it's still stuck. Harder. Let's try to lift it up again. It won't budge. All right, let's try lifting it up one more time. Look, it worked. The head's a bit broken, but it worked. You got the vision of the shell. Sissy, maybe you shouldn't be wearing white socks and shoes in the sand. You're right. Good point. I should probably take them off. Good. Now put them on the chair with your sunscreen. So, Sissy, what do you want to do now? Well, how about we build a sandcastle? Great idea. We can probably use this stuff from the turtle mold because it's already wet. Here, I'll use this shovel and you can use the rake. Make us a nice base. Okay. Good. Now I'm gonna pat it down. Okay. This will be the base of our sandcastle. We'll build it on here. Perfect. Just the finishing touches. Wow, it looks awesome. High five, Sissy. Well, what should we do now? Do you want to collect more shells or? Sure, that's a great idea. Okay, why don't we walk down this way? Okay. Look, here's one. It's nice and orange. Ooh, pretty. Let's put this in our bucket. Oh, and by the way, Sissy, we can't, collect too much because we don't want to be taking too many from the beach. So how about only 2? We'll find one more, okay? Okay. You take the bucket this time. Let's go over here. Here's one. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty and white and pointy. And why don't you put this one in the bucket, okay? There we go. Let's go back to our spot. So, do you want to go down to the lake and put our feet in the water? After all, I mean, they are pretty sandy. Sure. Okay, let's go. I'll race you. Oh, wait. What's wrong? Don't you want to go down to the water and have some fun? Well, yeah, I do, but I just feel safer with my life jacket on. Oh, I completely understand. I was like that when I was your age. Here, I brought you a red one. Okay. Here, I'll help you put it on. One arm through here. And we can't forget to do it up. All right, now you're ready? Yep, let's go. Race you! Woo! Oh, this feels so nice. And the sun, it's so bright. Did you bring a hat? I don't know. Should we go back and check? Because we don't want you to get burned. Okay. Okay, let's check your bag. No sunglasses or hat in here. Well, I guess Mom must have forgot to pack them. I'm hungry. You're hungry? Looks like we forgot to pack snacks too. I guess we'll have to pack up and go home. Is that all right? Yeah, 'cause I'm starving. Okay, let's pack up. All right, I've prepared us a snack of buttered bread, crackers, raspberries, and blueberries. Yay! That looks so good, Sissy. Thank you so much. You're the best sister ever. Well, you're welcome. It's the least I can do since you didn't bring your hat. Yum! These raspberries were just freshly picked from our grandparents' raspberry patch. That was so good, Sissy. Well, you're welcome. Thanks. I'll go wash this off. Wow, look what time it is. Well, we better get you ready for nap time because it's already 3 o'clock. Okay.